Hey, welcome back to the channel. So the crypto.com CEO has come out and has revealed what is about to happen to Bitcoin. Now, what makes this interesting is the piece of information I'm about to share with you is he talks about the fact that crypto.com has a tremendous amount of internal data that gives very unique visibility and clarity into what is about to happen to Bitcoin. So stay with me to the end because this is really interesting and this is a new take on what we're about to see Bitcoin go through. So with that said, two things. Hit that like button. Please hit that subscribe button. So right now, as you can see on the screen, Bitcoin's currently trading at 67,000 and change. We all know this. We're in a little bit of a down cycle. You can see it kind of right here where these two yellow lines are. We've got kind of Bitcoin starting to move down just a little bit. I'm not worried about this. And by the way, if it moves down anymore, I'm continuing to buy. That's where I am at. So drop in the comments below. Let me know your thoughts. So here's what I wanted to share with you. So the Bitcoin CEO says Bitcoin cycle currently in December 2020 phase sees steady ramp up of capital flowing to Bitcoin. Now, that's not that great of a headline. What really is interesting here is if we scroll down, I want you to take a look at this. Okay, so in an interview with CNBC, Chris, who's the CEO of Crypto.com, says Bitcoin is currently in the midst of a strong uptrend last witnessed in December of 2020 and January 2021, when Bitcoin started a parabolic rally from 20,000 to above 60,000 in just a few months. But listen to this quote, we sit on a ton of proprietary data. It means it's internal data only accessible to them, right? So we can look back at the 2021 cycle from a retail perspective. Because who are they? They're crypto.com. And they can see all that retail buying data with all the people who have accounts on crypto.com. And then they can compare it to what's happening now. Looking at the data and the intent as a signal from the retail side, we're probably in December 2020 and January 2021, we are seeing this kind of metrics. Okay. So the point of all of this is that they're seeing the exact same type of metrics right now that we saw in December of 2020 and January of 2021, where Bitcoin went from 20,000 to over 60,000, adding 40,000 plus to it. It's very interesting to me. And I love this paragraph right here. To me, that's a really, really good explanation and a really good insight and a new take on what we could be seeing Bitcoin do in the very near future. Okay. So look, and he goes on to talk about talking about Bitcoin dropping to 67 from breaching the all-time high. He said again, quote, I think this is predominantly driven by what's happening in the options market and the correction, but you have to remember this volatility is actually pretty low compared to what we have seen in previous cycles. Okay. So then he goes on to talk about how they're very optimistic. Quote, I think you would see a steady ramp up, and that's what we want. I think it's the size of the market and the increasing liquidity happening. You will see less of sudden moves. This is an asset that you want to hold for decades, not for days or weeks. So, yep, I agree, Chris. Thank you. So let me know your thoughts. Drop in the comments below. As always, thanks for your time. By the way, if you're looking for a really good place to trade, the Margex, there's a link down there that is a 20% referral bonus. If you use my referral bonus, you can get up to 20% additional deposit bonus to help you with fees and things of that nature. Margex is a really great trading platform. They do have leverage if that's something you're interested in. So check them out. Links in the description below. As always, thanks for your time. I'll see you.